Okay, and we'll be able to recover our device from one of the... There would be an easier and faster way to unlock a device. If you have a screen lock or a pattern password. I'm doing it in one of the easiest and fastest ways. Or that would be without needing to use a PC. A completely PC-free method, which is what we are going to do to be able to fix and recover our device. Well, the first thing we always recommend is to watch the step-by-step video tutorial, so that you don't miss any details and can solve this recovery problem. Having said all that, what we're going to do now is turn off our phone. Let's press the power button. If it doesn't turn off, we press the power button and volume up at the same time. At the same time, we turn it off. Here it asks us about the screen lock. If that's your case, then what you're going to do is press the volume down button. Press and hold the volume up button simultaneously until the phone turns off. When our phone turns off, we release both buttons. We hold it again so we can enter what is in this mode. Now that we're here, let's turn the volume down and let's select the option that says recovery. Power button to enter that mode. Now we'll have this screen like this, and we'll be left with what looks like a little Android figure. Now that we're here where it says, no command, we press the power button. Count to 3 seconds, press volume up button. Then the volume up button and then the power button. Now let's go down to where it says wipe data factory reset with power button we select. We go down and click where it says factory data reset with the power on. Now our phone will show us these errors. Don't worry, let those mistakes come out. Now with power button the first option and to restart our phone. But let's say that suddenly, upon restoring our phone and sometimes we're left with the Google account. If that's your case, stay until the end of the video because I'm going to explain how to fix it. Having said all that, let's wait for our phone. Restart your phone so you can configure it. But if we're left with the Google account, I'll explain. What are you going to do to recover your cell phone? Okay, here we can see our phone has restarted, but in some cases there are people who suddenly appear with this little padlock here in the upper left corner. Let's go here, we see that little padlock. If it still has that padlock icon, it's because it has a Google account. The security account. If that's your case, check the video description and the first one. Pinned comment. We'll leave you with a method to solve it.